Hi everyone, welcome to Sci 9 video lessons. Enjoy watching. Our lesson is all about Lewis dot symbol. Objectives: A. Learn how to draw Lewis dot symbol. B. Know the use of Lewis dot symbol in chemical bonding. What is Lewis dot symbol? Lewis dot symbol is a symbol of element surrounded with number of dots for each valence electron of the element. First, let us study the features of periodic table of elements. As you can see, the periodic table of elements are arranged according to increasing atomic number. So atomic number is the same to the number of electrons. For example, sodium has atomic number 11 and also it has 11 electrons. Another example is sulfur. It has 16 electrons and atomic number is 16. Family 1. All elements belong to family 1 has 1 valence electron. While family 2, all elements in family 2 has 2 valence electrons. What is valence electron? It is an electron in outermost shell. All elements belong to family 1 has 1 valence electron. Example of elements having 1 valence electron or all elements belong to family 1 are hydrogen, lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, and francium. Example of Lewis dot symbol. Elements belong in family 1. Hydrogen, lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, and francium. As you can see, all of these has 1 dot. That means number of valence electron. Another example of Lewis dot symbol for family 2. Elements belong in this family. It has 2 valence electrons. As you can see, it has 2 dots. Beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, barium, and radium. Electron configuration and Lewis dot symbol of hydrogen. Hydrogen has atomic number 1 and also it has 1 valence electron. The electron configuration is 1 as 1. 1 is the number of valence electron or family number, which is the same to the number of dots in Lewis dot symbol. Electron configuration and Lewis dot symbol of beryllium. Beryllium belongs to family 2, so it has 2 valence electrons and it has 4 atomic number or 4 electrons. Next is the Lewis dot symbol for boron. Boron has atomic number 5. It has 5 electrons and 3 valence electrons or electrons in the outermost shell. and it has 3 dots. Electron configuration and Lewis dot symbol of carbon. Carbon has atomic number 6 and therefore it has 6 electrons, and it has 4 valence electrons because it is included in family 4. And the Lewis dot symbol is C, capital C with 4 dots. Another example is nitrogen. Nitrogen belongs to the family 5. So it has 5 valence electrons. So therefore nitrogen has 5 dots around on it. Next example, Lewis dot symbol is oxygen. Oxygen has atomic number 8 and has 8 electrons. It is belong to the family 6. So therefore it has 6 valence electrons. Okay, this is the example of Lewis dot symbol for oxygen with 6 valence electrons. And next is fluorine, family 7, so 7 valence electrons. Okay, so it has 7 dots. The last example is neon. Neon has atomic number 10, which is belong to family 8. All elements in family 8 are stable atoms. The stability of atoms depends on whether or not their outermost shell is filled with electrons. If the outer shell is filled, the atom is stable. The stable elements are atoms having 8 valence electrons. Usually form chemical bonds with other atoms to achieve stability. What is the use of Lewis dot symbol in chemical bonding? So ionic bonding or ionic bond, also called electrovalent bond, type of linkage formed from the electrostatic attraction between oppositely charged ions in a chemical compound. Such a bond forms when the valence electrons or the electrons in the outermost shell of one atom are transferred permanently to another atom. The atom that loses the electrons becomes a positively charged ion or a cation, while the one that gains them becomes a negatively charged ion or an ion. Another type of chemical bonding is covalent bond. It is a chemical bond that involves the sharing of electron pairs between atoms. These electron pairs are known as shared pairs or bonding pairs. And the stable balance of attractive and repulsive forces between atoms when they share electrons is known as covalent bonding. So the bond between carbon and oxygen is double bond. So it is a sharing of electrons to achieve the stability. The most stable atom has 8 valence electrons in the outermost shell. Here is an example of a student's activity on Lewis dot symbol, the bingo game. Students will write the Lewis dot symbol in their card. It should have a correct number of dots around the atom or students are busy doing their task. For the assignment, draw the Lewis dot symbol of transition elements or the heavy metal from atomic number 21 to 30. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.